Win that job. Here's our top 10 tips. Number 1. Learn Excel skills. Start by learning the basics of Excel through online tutorials and free resources. Number 2. Get certified. Consider getting certified in Excel to demonstrate your expertise. Number 3. Build a portfolio. Create your own Excel projects to showcase your skills. Number 4. Networking. Reach out to people in your network for advice and potential job opportunities. Number 5. Apply for internships. Look for entry-level positions that require Excel skills. Number 6. Volunteer. Offer your Excel skills to non-profit organizations to gain experience and make connections. Number 7. Highlight transferable skills. Emphasize any relevant experience or skills in your resume. Number 8. Be persistent. Finding a job may take time, so stay motivated and follow up with potential employers. Number 9. Keep learning. Continuously improve your Excel skills to increase your value as an employee. And number 10. Consider freelance work. Take on freelance or contract assignments to gain experience. Start your journey towards an Excel job today. Read the full article and more Excel tips at comdex.com.au/blog.